Hey guys, welcome back. Yesterday we discussed annual reports, and today we're going to keep on going with that. You will notice that we have something new, and this is just another way to hopefully help you guys. I've been thinking through of ways to make this easier for you, so hopefully this works out for you. So on the beginning of every video, I will post what you need to do for that specific day. Today you're going to watch my video, already working on that. Second, you're going to watch a YouTube video that will be posted. The link will be posted for you. 3, you're going to answer the questions on the YouTube video. And then 4, you're going to submit those answers by tomorrow and be prepared to discuss something a little further with that. But we'll talk about what that is in just a moment. So let's get started with our objectives. By the end of today, you will have analyzed some annual reports to determine what works and what does not work. You will watch a video discussing design and nonprofit annual reports. And then you're also going to think about a nonprofit you could volunteer at and think about how you could impact others and be the light of Christ through that. So let's get started with some analysis. So here we have a annual report that's released by a place called Lunaland. It's a amusement park, as you can see, and their theme was Dream Big. You can see that they use bright, bold colors. In the background, they have images. We talked about using images yesterday, so they have images of their theme park. They're not overbearing, they're not crazy loud, but they are something that's kind of a nice, subtle effect. So they did a great job with that. Their colors are very easy to read. Their fonts are bold and big and easy to read, and with just a few things, they tell us a lot of good information. So they did a great job with this, with what we're seeing. Let's switch to another annual report. Alrighty, so this one is by a place called Hella, and Technology with Vision is their theme. If you look at the page on the left, the cover is okay. It's not overwhelmingly great, but it's not horrible either. The page on the left is something that's inside, and it's talking about key performance indicators. And there's not much in the form of design that has carried through. Like if you were to see this page on the left, you would not necessarily know that it went with this. So they didn't do a good job of carrying the design through. And second, there's a lot of small print and a lot of numbers. Now, what if you need that? Sometimes you do, and that's okay if you do need it. But this is not an excellent indication of how to display that. You also have a lot of very, very tiny fine print. So this is something that you would not want to read. You know, you would probably get bored and be like, all right, I'm ready to move on, and flip past this page. So that is something that is not necessarily the best in design. Next, we have a group called Midwives for Haiti, and this is a nonprofit group, and this is part of their annual report. So we talked about infographics, and this is an example of infographics. Infographics are just essentially graphs that are going to show you a lot of information through pictures and words, and so this is an excellent job. It uses images to draw you in. It evokes feeling and emotion. If you look here, this tells you the maternal mortality rate in Haiti, and that's something that is that's scary. If you see that lifetime risk of maternal death is 1 of 83, that makes you stop and think, wow, these women are needed, these midwives are needed. So they did an excellent job of showcasing this in their short but brief annual report. For them, they're not huge, so they don't need to do a ton of stuff, but sorry, my little one's coming to join me. They do a great job with that. The colors are bold and bright. All right, here's another one. This is an annual report that we obviously can't read. It's okay though, because I'm still using it for purpose. Now, this last page had a lot of information. So sometimes too much information is not good, but it is very well broken up and defined into sections, so your eyes can naturally flow and know where to go. And because there's so much color and variety in the way that it is shown, you want to stop and read it. This, on the other hand, is a lot of information with not as much variety. So even if I could read this language of whatever's going on here, even though I can't, I would not want to stop and read it. I honestly might look at maybe this section, but that would be about it. So you want to break it up and make sure that you have it done in a way that entices people to keep looking. This isn't necessarily bad. They do a good job with the theme, but it's not great either. So think through those type of things if you were to design one day. All right, so last task for the day. You're going to watch this video. I'm not going to click on it and watch it right now with you. I mean, we could, but I'm going to let you watch it on your own with your own time. And you're going to answer these specific questions. Number 1, which one is best? Number 2, what do you like about it? Number 3, which organization stands out to you and why? Number 4, which one do you dislike the most? Not the organization, but the actual annual report. And then number 5, why? Also, be thinking through a nonprofit you could volunteer at and think about how you could impact others and be the light of Christ, because that will be on a discussion board Wednesday. So Wednesday, you'll have a discussion board with this question. And Wednesday, you'll also be submitting these answers to these questions. I'll make sure to make that very clear for you. Do this today, but be ready to submit that by Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you have any questions, please message me. If I need to pray for you for something, please let me know about that too. I know we're not getting in our circle every day, dragging our little chairs together, but I'm still thinking about you guys and praying for you and missing you. So let me know if you need anything. Bye.